This video is a creation of Pronto Nutrition, offering knowledge on the controversial subject of health. For more information and videos like this, make sure you visit healthymealsguide.info. To eat properly, you need to base your diet around natural food consumption. We were designed to consume natural energy sources. These tend to be high in nutrients and a good source of energy. Instead, we eat nutrient-deficient processed foods. The big food quality issue comes from the large amounts of processed foods that are made available to us. A lot of the nutrients are stripped and the energy broken down when a food is processed. What this leaves us with is an empty energy source, which is commonly referred to as empty calories. It is this empty calories that offers the major cause for the large rise in obesity and diabetes, which we've seen over the last few decades. The first of the 5 food types you should avoid are long life foods. Lengthening life is one of the main reasons why food is processed. Long life foods, along with being a source of empty calories, also contain added antioxidants and preservatives which prevent them from spoiling. The preservation of these kinds of food comes at a serious cost and should be avoided as much as possible. The 2 bad guys when it comes to long life foods are first of all refined carbs. These are carbohydrates which have been broken down. They're a fast releasing energy source with little nutritional value. The second is trans fats. These are man-made fats which result from a chemical process called hydrogenation. This type of fat harms cells in your body, impairing their ability to absorb nutrients. The foods you need to avoid are those that are hardened or thickened. These tend to come in a container or plastic wrap and have a use-by date. Sweetened foods are those that contain added sugar. Added sugar is bad because it has no nutritional value and its energy is released almost instantly, giving you a sugar rush. The problem with this is that the overload in energy causes all kinds of problems. The first of the resulting problems is weight gain. Without getting too deep into how it all works, basically sugar causes a rush in energy, or glucose. Your body deals with this by releasing a hormone called insulin. Insulin stores excess energy as fat. The second of the resulting problems is diabetes. Your body can only produce so much insulin in your lifetime. Once this runs out, you get diabetes and have to physically inject insulin into your bloodstream. Sweetened foods are the leading cause for the current obesity and diabetes epidemics. So basically you should avoid sugary foods, which is obviously sweets, soda, etc. What most don't know is that low-fat foods also tend to be very sugary. The sugar is added to make up for the lost taste originally provided by the fat. The most important thing is to ignore promotional labels and actually check the nutritional chart for the ingredients in a food product. The third food type to avoid is overcooked foods. The process of cooking foods depletes nutrients and also breaks down the energy in the food source. Overcooked foods will therefore be quickly digested and contain little in the form of essential nutrients. How food is cooked is also important, as cooking at high temperatures using oil, for instance, cause the formation of harmful oxidants, which harm cells in the body. You should try to avoid overcooking foods. Avoid using oils wherever possible. Instead, opt for using steam to cook. This can be either steaming vegetables, rice or pasta, or steam frying your meat in a water-based sauce. For the remaining 2 types of food to avoid, make sure you watch the second part of this video. For more helpful topics, visit healthymealsguide.info. Other topics include the 3 essential parts to a healthy meal, and also 5 easy tips for optimum health.